I'd like 2 beefy burgers, 2 large fries, an apple pie, and a Diet Coke.
Diet Coke?
Yes, I'm on a diet.
Avast Moby Dick talks.
I'm not Moby Dick.
Man the harpoons.
Who killed this customer?
He did it.
Cactus, clean up this mess.
Oh, that sends a cold feeling down my spine. I'll cut the land whale open, and you can live in him. This is the Fairy Queen, not the ice planet Hoth. I wish it were. Oh, crap! What the? Looking for this? Awesome! Okay. So what do we do with this fat guy? Follow me! Ta-da! It's my Birdapult! I made it out of old hamburger wrappers. Is this what you do all day when you're supposed to be working? Sometimes I sniff markers. Okay. So, how do we do this? Easy. Lard away. And another thing, Harold. You need to make more money.
I already work 80 hours a week.
Shut your lazy ass up. You gotta do what I tell you to do.
Whew, there is a God.
Mr. Charlton Heston, here is your soylent lasagna. My God! Soylent lasagna is made of people! Delicious people!
Where do you think that fat guy landed? On your mama! Why do you say that? Everyone else ends up on your mama.